Do you want to become a software engineer but don't know how to go about it? Today, I'll be taking you through clear and practical steps on how you can become a software engineer. Do a welcome back to our channel. The first thing you are supposed to do is understanding first who software engineer is. Now, this is beyond just coding. It is solving problems with technology. A software engineer designs, builds, tests, and maintains software systems. So the first thing you want to be ready for is to be ready to solve problems. The step 2 to this would be learn the fundamentals. Now start with the basics, which are the Python and the JavaScript. Now these two are beginner friendly, right? Learn your algorithms, your data structures, and then your object-oriented programming, right? Know that you do not necessarily need big way to start, right? Your online courses, your YouTube videos, coding or bootcamps would work just fine. The third step to this would be practice. Now, coding is like a new language. You have to speak it daily. You can use platforms or make use of platforms like the Lead Codes, the HackerRanks, or the GitHub's projects. Start building small projects like the calculators, to-do lists, or websites. Now, each project projects you, builds your confidence for the next one. The step 4 to this would be learn tools and frameworks. Now, get familiarized with the control version like the Git, the databases like the MySQL, and then frameworks like the React or the Django. Now, these are industry standards that employers look out for. Now, the step 5 to this is build a portfolio. Now, your portfolio is like your CV. Showcase your portfolio either on the GitHub or on a personal website space. Now, your employers want to see what you can do, not just having to read about it. Now, the 6th step to this is network and gain experience. Now, join coding communities, attend bootcamps and hackathons, yes, contribute to open sources, apply for internships, and even the unpaid ones, yes. Now, teach teamwork and also teach real-world exposure. This is how you network and gain experience. Now, the 7th and the final step in today's video is apply and keep growing. Now, apply for junior developer roles. Do not be scared or afraid of rejection. Okay? It is part of the journey. Now, keep learning and then specialize later. Keep learning now, then choose to specialize later. Maybe in AI, artificial intelligence, the web development, or the cybersecurity. Becoming a software engineer isn't achieved overnight. It is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and you'll get there. I know this video helped you, so please give it a like, leave your comments and questions as well in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.